Not good. This is not good. Just a little and these pieces tumble on the game table. I have to fix this.
Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today I'm on my studio for do some modification to one of my classic pieces. Yeah, I'm used to put on my table some magic columns with spheres. Those are great because they are very simple to craft and they are very effective on the table. They can be used as ornamental columns. They are great for puzzles and energy sources and stuff like that. I already put on the table something like that. I want to show you. This is my classic piece. It's quite good. I like because they have this black sphere like a Palantir from Lord of the Rings. But yeah, in this first edition, let's say like that, they have some problem with the balance, with the weight, because the base is not heavy enough for sustain the ball that actually is in glass, so it's very heavy. So today I decided to improve the balance of the weight, and so I am creating a new version of this column with spheres. Crack on!
For this project I use 4 3/4 of an inch and 1 inch bases, but you can also use cardboard or another piece of foam for that. I then found these marbles beans. They are semi-transparent and have a very attractive color. In this project I will use a green stuff wood roller, but you also can decorate your columns freehand. Then we will need some washers and some other stuff along the way. We begin to cut our pieces of foam the same size as our bases, so as to be able to create sandwiches. Foam, washer and base on top. There are many ways to do this. You can first cut the foam, or as you can see here, you can glue the washer onto the foam, then the base on top, and only at the end cut everything with the cutter. I almost forgot. If you don't have a Proxen, you can check my tutorial number 4 to see how to create thin slices of foam simply with an arch foam cutter. Now let's take some foam pillars. We need a piece of 3/4 of inch per side and another one 1/2 inch by side. We will obtain 4 small columns 3/4 of inch high and a fatter column but of the same height from the wider pillar. We are ready to design our bricks. Check out my tutorial number 1 for this technique. Now we add texture with the aluminum foil technique, as usual. Now we can correct the weight problem. We insert in the fat column a screw of the right length, while in the 4 smaller columns we insert 5 or 6 small nails. Once this is done, we can glue the pillars to the center of the bases. Now I prepare the upper part of the columns. For a clean and fast decoration, I used this Celtic floor textured roller by Green Stuff World, but you can also design the decoration by hand. The interesting thing is that with this little trick, we immediately get a series of decorations of the right size. Once the decorative stones have been cut, we can glue them on top of our pillars. At each step, you can help yourself with a nail file to improve the shape of your pieces. Now with filler for walls, I fill the empty spaces around the base, and I make sure that the washers are well hidden. Once dry, you can smooth the filler with the nail file. For painting, I first used a black acrylic paint, then a grayscale from the darkest to the lightest with a semi-wet technique. At this point, with a drop of hot glue, we can glue our marbles on top of the columns. The piece can now be completed with a dry brush with off-white acrylic paint. These pieces are really fantastic. They can serve as a riddle, a source of magical power, or simply to embellish your dungeon.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!